everyone. This video for our group, we are going to talk about traditional custom of the day. Traditional custom of the Dayak Katungo Hilir, engagement atau or Bupita Tanya, and traditional marriage. In the traditional custom of the Dayak Katungau Demam, these practices are still strongly upheld by the community, especially in the Katungau area among the Demam subtribe. However, as ancestral heirloom have become increasingly rare, several requirements that were originally fulfilled with traditional items might now be replaced with money. The monetary amount varies depending on the agreement between both parties. Number 1, investment or Bupita Tanya. Before carrying out the engagement process or Bupita Tanya, the woman's family invites or asks the man to visit, or the prospective groom asks his parent to directly visit the prospective bride's house after both individuals have agreed to take their relationship to a more serious level. This marks the beginning of the traditional process as a form of kinship and goodwill between the two families. From the man's side, at least one customary official must be present as a witness. The purpose of this meeting is to clarify the relationship between the man and the woman, and to confirm with her they truly intend to process seriously. This process is called Bupita Tanya. This means that the prospective groom family proposes to the prospective bride by bringing offerings in the form of clothing, bedding, supplies, make-up tools, make-hedge or parang, and ancestral heirloom, which may be replaced with money if unavailable. Marriage. One of the prospective spouses will be picked up from their home and brought to the partner's home in a procession known as Ngambi Bini or Ngambi Laki. This procession is accompanied by the sound of tawak, a traditional Dayak musical instrument. Upon arrival, the group is welcomed with a traditional dance. Before entering the house, the procession must cut off a stalk of sugar cane or bamboo. Over jumping ritual incantation and be served a traditional Dayak drink called tuak. The traditional marriage ceremony is conducted through a ritual called kitau, using a chicken performed by the customary leader or elder will reciting jumpy jumpy as the bride and groom sit side by side.
Anaknya lau mapapau dia udah lau kayu geli kaki kudi jari kemegai manok lanyau ngopung tahu dua baru jadi dua tikai pelancau selap umuk lamban ngati tudong umuk dobai dia lau duduk tawak sebelum besi menikah dua desah ruang banyau kenti tuai tiga jadi kasih.
After the ritual is complete, the chicken used for kitau is slaughtered. The blood of the chicken is then used for insalan, marking on the forehead, chest, and back of both the bride and groom. This is followed by ajar padah, a session of advice and guidance given to the new life after wedding by their parents, customary official, and others. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Sebastian Surancen. I will explain about wedding traditional in Dayak Desa rituals. The wedding traditional of Dayak Desa in Sintang Regency, which is carried out period, the wedding is commonly known as Ngami Bini.
Inilah pernikahan Panggi dan Nopi menggunakan adat perkawinan suku Dayak Desa. Setelah pemotongan ompong dan sengkelan, acara dilanjutkan prosesi pernikahan adatnya yang dilaksanakan di rumah mempelai laki-laki, di mana para tokoh-tokoh adat, temenggung, kepala keluarga, dan kedua mempelai memberi petuah atau pelajaran kepada kedua mempelai yang menikah.
Weddings with traditional Dayak Desa ritual require a long and eventful series of events, of the which is the Ngami Bini ceremony, an important and traditional for the bride and groom, as is part of the initial stage of starting a marriage life. The Ngami Bini traditional processing of Dayak Desa tribute begins with the groom's family pick up the bride. Upon arrival at the groom's house, the bride is welcomed by the bride family with traditional customs, starting with the cutting of ompong or banjar, followed by sengkelan procession, such as stepping on Malay fruit, sharpening stones, parang, and breaking eggs. After the ompong and sengkelan cutting, the ceremony continues with the traditional wedding procession, which is held at the groom's house. There, traditional leaders such as the temenggung, the head of the family, and the bride and groom give advice or listen to the new words so that they will remain united in passing and ups and downs of married life. In the traditional wedding procession of the Dayak Desa, there are several items and must be prepared for the traditional ceremony, such as gong, whetstones, mandau, betel leaves, areca nuts, rice, candles, and even cash. The purpose of traditional marriage is so the advice can be conveyed by traditional leaders and community leaders, because there are also rules that if, for example, the brides and grooms divorce, they will receive sanction or traditional punishment. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you.
My name is Victorius Cahaya Disaputra. I will explain about that we call is Ngitot Saki Koro in traditional wedding at Ambalao. Mitos Saki Koro or Merit traditional in Dayak Uddanum language, Ambalao district is a secret customary ritual for the community. At this moment, the male party acts as the one who makes the request to the female party by preparing the requirements that must be fulfilled by the men in general. Number one is Manasambon Uhing Rawai, and then Kain Sajah, and then a plate and bowl containing rice, and then kujur, mace or sabang, and then chicken or pig, and then koratung or gong, and then batu kisok is a certain amount for money determined by customary law, commonly called jipon. Mitos Saki Koro is the process of legitimizing of material relationship that is valid according to Dayak Uddanum customary law, Ambalao district, which is manifest in the form of a customary ritual first. That's all from me. Thank you. The conclusion is traditional marriage among the Dayak Uddanum, Dayak Desa, and Dayak Demam community is a cultural heritage rich in sacred, social, and spiritual values. Although each subtribe has different procedure, symbol, and customary term, all there share a common view of marriage is as a secret bond, the unique not only to individual but also to extended families and the wider customary community. The traditional wedding ceremonies emphasize value of togetherness, respect for ancestors, adherence to community law, and the moral responsibility of husband and wife. Therefore, Dayak traditional marriage function not only as a ceremonial event but also as a means of preserving cultural identity and strengthening traditional value passed down from generation to generation. That's all from our group. Thank you.
To the new fear.
Sek. Secret apa? SACRED. Secret.
Secret, rahasia.
Bukan, secret tuh pakai new life. Aduh, tak bang. Susah bacanya. After the ompok.
Ngitot Saki Koro. Ngitot Saki Koro. Oh, yang ya, aku sering dan kan relasi